In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add product category to WordPress menu. This is my e-commerce website and its main menu. I want to add products category here. So let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard and hover over on appearance, click on menus. Select a menu to edit. You can see this is the main menu and I want to edit main menu. So click on this down arrow. Then you can see all menus are showing here. So select main menu and click on select. Left side you can see very fast showing all pages. Then post, custom link, categories and WooCommerce endpoints. I want to add products category to the main menu, but you can see the product categories are not show here. So very fast we have to show products category here, then we will be able to add to the main menu. So just go to the top, very top, and from the right side you can see screen options and click on it. Then you can see product categories, it unchecked, you have to check it. So click and check, just scroll down. Then you can see product categories are showing here. So click this down arrow and all categories are showing. Click on view all. Okay, just for the test purpose I want to check this clothing. Just click and add menu, scroll down. Then you can see categories added to the main menu. So save menu, go to the website and refresh the page. You can see clothing category show here. If you want to add more category here, then you can do it. Just then again go to the admin dashboard and click on this product categories. Just select and add to menu. Okay, just scroll down and you can see I want to keep very fast clothing. Then just drag and drop just right side. Save menu, visit the website and refresh the page. This is the clothing and you can see drop down menu, cosmetics, furniture and electronics. Successfully we have added the product categories to main menu. Thanks for watching the video.